Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a flexible sink hose. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a new hose, a bucket, and an adjustable wrench. Next, locate and turn off the water supply valves directly under your sink. This crucial step prevents any unexpected water flow during the replacement process. Finally, clear out any items from the cabinet to give yourself ample room to work comfortably. Now that the water is off, place a small bucket or towel under the connections to catch any residual water that might drip out. Using your adjustable wrench, carefully loosen the nuts connecting the old flexible hose to both the faucet and the water supply line. Once loosened, you can gently twist and pull the old hose free. Be prepared for a small amount of water to escape. With the old hose removed, it's time to install the new one. First, ensure the new hose has the correct size and type of fittings for your faucet and supply lines. Begin by hand tightening the connections to avoid any cross-threading. Once hand tight, use your wrench to gently snug them up. Remember, you don't need to over-tighten, just make them secure enough to prevent leaks. The final step is to test your work. Slowly turn the water supply valves back on and carefully observe all the new connections for any signs of leaks. Look closely for drips or moisture around the nuts you tightened. If you spot any, gently tighten the connection a little more. Once everything is dry, you're all set. Also, for other great deals, and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.